Welcome to the Tekscan presentation, Improving Medical Devices with Force Sensing Technology, recorded on behalf of Mark Lowe, Vice President of Sensor Business at Tekscan. We will be exploring the exciting new trend of integrating state-of-the-art force sensors into the next generation of medical devices. Tekscan manufactures tactile pressure and force measurement systems and sensors. You will find our technology in thousands of applications in the medical, industrial, and dental markets around the world. Tekscan is ISO 9001 and 13485 certified, and all of our sensors are designed, manufactured, and produced at our company-owned facility in Boston. Today, you'll be learning about how tactile force sensors improve medical devices by making them smart, how FlexiForce, our force sensing resistors, provide solutions to overcome challenges in integrating force sensors into medical devices, examples of product applications and how they have benefited from force sensing technology, and finally, I will be telling you how to get started by evaluating FlexiForce sensors. When a force sensor is designed into a medical device, it can easily measure the amount of force being applied and relay that information to the physician or patient to adjust. The quantitative information from smart medical devices improves control, eliminates guesswork, improves outcomes, and increases consistency. Many medical evaluations rely on a medical professional applying force to a patient to quantify the response to determine appropriate action. Often, they need to monitor force thresholds to be sure a safe amount of force is being used. Without force feedback, the information gained is more qualitative than quantitative, so they might be guessing about the amount of force. For example, researchers in Australia produced a physical therapy training device using FlexiForce sensor that guides students in the amount of force necessary to perform manual evaluations. In order to design medical devices that provide force feedback, engineers are faced with a range of force sensing options and challenges. When evaluating which force sensing technology best meets their needs, engineers often consider either strain gauges or load cells because they are very accurate and have been used for decades. Force sensing resistor technology is not as well known, but as you can see, there are many other important benefits to FSR technology, making them a compelling alternative to strain gauges and load cells. Although strain gauges and load cells are highly accurate, the bulky size of load cells is a significant drawback because they are mechanically difficult to integrate into smaller, lightweight devices. Although strain gauges may be small in size, both strain gauges and load cells have very small changes in output, requiring signal conditioning and filtering electronics, which is very complex to integrate and can be very expensive. Our force sensing resistor product, FlexiForce, allows engineers to overcome challenges of size by providing a tactile force sensor built on a thin, light, and flexible material that is mechanically ideal for integrating into smaller, sleeker medical devices. FlexiForce sensors can measure force between almost any two surfaces and are durable enough to stand up to most environments. And unlike load cells and strain gauges, FlexiForce sensors do not require complex electronics to obtain output data. This makes them easier to integrate electrically and more cost-effective. The resistance of a FlexiForce is inversely proportional to the applied force. The typical resistance when the sensor is unloaded is greater than 2 megaohm and approximately 10 kiloohm when fully loaded. This large dynamic range allows design engineers to simplify their electronics, reducing cost and increasing ease of integration. And the high impedance of a FlexiForce sensor provides a low-power solution, which is ideal for battery-powered portable devices. In addition, the conductance curve, which is the inverse of resistance, is linear, making calibration easier. FlexiForce sensors can be produced in a variety of shapes and sizes to meet a wide range of design requirements, making it easy to integrate into a device. These custom sensors are trimmable, giving the sensor the ability to cover both small and large areas. The sensor can also be designed for both single-point and multi-point use. Once force sensing technology is integrated into a medical device, it can provide doctors and surgeons with concrete numbers, outcome projections, and statistics to help diagnose patients and monitor the recovery process. For example, a FlexiForce sensor is designed into the surgical gripper to ensure the surgeon applies the proper amount of pressure to the patient in order to avoid tears or breakage of tissue. Here are just a few examples of medical device products and applications and how they benefit from force sensing technology. In orthopedic applications, force sensors eliminate the need for guessing and checking ensuring proper balance within the joint. Surgical outcomes are improved by quantifying force, which enables surgeons to make data-supported adjustments. Force sensors are also an important part of foot rehab, providing data to help monitor balance. And when integrated into biofeedback devices, force sensors can help improve gait by correcting timing. Force sensors within the shoe relay wireless signals to the leg cuff to produce electrical stimulation to specific leg muscles. This stimulation of nerves and muscles signals the foot to lift off the ground and helps the user walk more naturally. Force sensors can play a critical role in concussion detection. Force sensors in helmets can measure the impact of the blow to the head, and the data gathered by researchers can be used to develop a concussion threshold for that patient. Sensors eliminate guesswork by providing data to help determine if an athlete needs medical attention. A crucial design consideration in drug delivery systems such as infusion pumps is a small, lightweight sensor that will detect blockages in the system. New drug delivery systems utilize FlexiForce sensors to ensure the proper placement and pressure of the device to make sure the patient is receiving the right dosage. To overcome the lack of sensory feedback during robotic surgery, force sensors can be integrated into surgical tools to measure how much force the tool applies to the tissue. This data is used to provide feedback to the doctor so they can control the force applied. As you can see, force sensing technologies are an integral component in a variety of medical devices. The ability for a medical device to maintain proper communication with its user is rapidly becoming an industry standard. And because FlexiForce sensors are thin, flexible, and customizable, they can be easily integrated into medical devices, making it a smart device. To help you get started, we offer a range of affordable off-the-shelf sensor products and circuits that are available in low quantities, which are ideal for prototyping and developing proof of concepts. Our technical team of electrical and mechanical engineers will help you work with you throughout each step of the design process, from concept through production. The Tekscan team is here to help you set your product apart and make it smart with FlexiForce sensors. For more information and detailed product specifications, please contact us at 617-464-4500. And be sure to visit our website at www.tekscan.com/fleximed to request a copy of our free white paper, Improving Medical Devices with Force Sensing Technology. Again, thank you for your time, and please feel free to contact us with any questions.